Have you ever felt panic and confusion in the middle of calamity? Have you ever wondered what could happen if we face a calamity unprepared? Disaster strikes anytime, anywhere, and the only way to protect ourselves and our loved ones is through preparedness.
Every year, many lives are lost because people are caught unprepared. But we can prevent that. We just need to be ready, prepare ourselves, gather the things we might need, stay informed, and most of all, pray to God to keep our families safe.
Preparedness gives us control when everything around us seems uncertain. It helps us act wisely instead of panicking, and it gives us a better chance to protect not only ourselves but also others who might need help.
Why is preparedness so important? Because we never know what will happen during a disaster. You might get hurt, your family might be in danger, or in the worst case, we could lose a life. But if we know what to do in a disaster and we are prepared, we could face any calamity with courage and confidence.
At the same time, communication plays a big role in survival. Nowadays, we have so many ways to reach out to others through phones, radios, or social media. Imagine being stranded during a flood. With no way to call for help, how would anyone know you're in danger? Communication saves lives during emergencies. It can make all the differences.
Preparedness and communication must go hand in hand. When we are ready and know how to reach out, we don't just protect ourselves, we help our community too. Preparedness is not just a task, it's an act of love, care, and responsibility.